Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys. This is gonna be a quick video because I'm pressed for time. But versus flat ironing your hair, as you guys can see, I did flat iron. Don't mind below. I don't have no bottoms on. But anyways, as you guys can see, and I had some like makeup and stuff on my shirt. But as you guys can see, I ended up flat ironing my wig, and I went with a middle part. It looks natural to me. I did my makeup and stuff. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to straighten your hair with a iron because I don't have a flat iron, and if you ask me, I get the best results with the iron versus with the flat iron. So basically what I did was I went ahead and I don't have a comb on me right now, but you're gonna basically take a little small section, mainly the top, because you want to make it flat, and you're gonna run that iron like that. Look at that. Look how flat and straight that is. Come on out. Flat irons do the job depending on what flat irons you use. But in my opinion, I think the iron works better. And basically what you can do is make sure you have a towel lay down wherever you gonna do it at, and just put the hair down. Don't run it through so quick unless you have like, some type of hair where, it burns, the hair burns. But this is, what you call it? This is human hair, so it can take heat. But don't sit. Please make sure you don't set your iron on top of the hair because you don't want to damage it too much and burn it out. But I love the iron for the simple fact it has the advantage where it gets that bone straight. Whereas the flat iron, it not only gives the bone straight, but it also gives like a it takes the frizz away. If you put like a little oil of your choice on your hair, it takes the frizz away, the flyaways and stuff like that. Look how straight that is. Oh, my bad, guys. Like I said, I'm in the process of getting dressed, so don't mind me. Yeah, look how straight that is. Look at that. But what else? Oh, and it does not leave a line of demarcation. If you don't know what that is basically, when you do the flat irons and it jam right there, and then you flat iron it and it leaves that mark. It does not leave that. It just goes straight on through, and it leaves your hair nice, bone straight. Today I wanted to go for a more of a bone straight look. I didn't want to do too much of the curly. So this is the look. And this is the back. I'm not sure yet about coloring the hair yet. I don't think I want to color this hair, but when I do get another wig, I'll probably color that one. But yes, that's my video for you guys today. I hope you found this video helpful in any type of way, shape, form, or fashion, and it's basically how to straighten your hair with a iron versus a flat iron. So thank you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.